no one ever knows where we're heading, where the story goes. You just gotta hold on to your path. What feels right in your heart and your soul. I know you always wanna do what's right. I know you rather wanna flight than fight. But every now and then you gotta pause.
Hello and welcome back to another episode, guys. Hope you're ready. Bubba Joe, you ready? Come on. We're back at it. Got a new repertoire though. Instead of hauling heavy freight, pallets, we're hauling furniture now. Got a company that I work with. They give me a route. Maybe 20, 30 stops at a time, and they add stuff to the route as I go to. So that's why you see carpet on the floors. You see the second level here so I can haul a lot more stuff. I'm gonna do another platform, then my bed is gonna fold down. It's kind of a work in progress. My friend Sam Pettit from middle school did the walls and stuff like that. Most of the furniture I carry is 40 inches tall, so it'll fit right under here. I can also take this platform down if I need to and haul a motorcycle or something like that. I haul furniture. I gotta hook up with surfboards and kayaks. Other than that, I'm gonna get on my route. I gotta drop this piece off in Jacksonville, Florida. That's for my last route. I couldn't drop it off before I took time off on my last route, so I told them, hey, I'll come back on my way out next time. So that's what I'm doing now, dropping this off first. Then our first pickup is in Atlanta, Georgia. I'll give you another angle from this door. By the way, the engine's running great. I did have a slow oil leak that I just got fixed. I got a great mechanic here now.
Sounds like something behind a compressor. So let's see here. It's gotta be something with this plate. Usually those gaskets get hard because it's aluminum and rubber. Yeah. This is a line. Here goes, could be this line here. Is just O-ring, O-ring, or this plate.
But yeah, this is what it's looking like, guys. I'm still gonna have my boy Brandon come through, Brandon Thrift, and do a mural on the wall for those who donated to the GoFundMe. We got Bubba's new bed ready to go. And you know what it is, baby. Expediting America. Bubba Joe, come on. Let's go. Up. Yes, sir. All right, we just got done getting over 11 gallons here at this Sitco, saving about 14 cents a gallon using the Upside app. I really haven't promoted it much in a while, and I don't really know why, because I've saved over $1,800 cash back. Right now I'm at like $150 maybe over the past month that I've saved in gas because, I travel so much. But you can save too. You might not save 150 bucks. You might save 10, 20 bucks every week. Who knows how much it could be. It all adds up, especially if you keep using it. So click that link below in the description, add the Upside app using my link, and you not only save money for yourself, but you actually help me save money and get cash back whenever you use the pump, which helps Bubba Joe in the long run. So why not do it? So one thing I got to work on doing is figuring out the format for the new show, for the new lane that I'm hauling, where I can take some time off and edit. For example, I know when I do my loop right now, I'm gonna be stopping in Ohio. I'll be visiting my grandmother for a day or two. I think over this weekend I should get there Friday and hang out there Saturday, Sunday, maybe leave Monday. And if I can do it like that, I can edit footage, and I'll try to do it every day. Just taking a little bit of time at every stop, maybe 10, 15 minutes to edit what I have so far might help keep up with the current footage and keep you guys updated on what I'm doing currently. I've been slacking with the content. I can't kind of explain that in the last video, but some people still had, questions. At the end of the day, I don't need to do YouTube. I like to do YouTube, and it helps. It does help when I do post. My last month before I went ghost on you guys and I got the van, I did $700 on my YouTube channel. That's pretty good, but I took a month off, and that next month was like $260. It's a big difference, which is still good, considering I didn't post. You guys were still watching, and I appreciate that. That was awesome. I know a lot of guys were asking on my last video, where's Bubba Joe? because I did that run to Orlando to go see my little brother do his confirmation and stuff like that. But I came back home right after that. I got Bubba Joe. I went on that run out to Denver, Colorado. We came back. I took a week off, and now I'm back to making some money and sharing with you guys some content. Hope you enjoy it. I really do. I don't know how it's going to come out just yet, but I'm going to do my best, and we'll see how it does. So the way all this works is the company sends me a list of pickups and drop-offs on a route, usually up and down the East Coast, pretty much wherever I want them to take me, I can tell them. But I'm designated to the East Coast because that's what I'd rather do. Less wear and tear on the van. The West Coast, harsh on the van with the high mountains, and also the gas is more expensive out that way. So I stay to the East Coast, and what they do is they give me a list of pickups and drop-offs. I'll contact the customers, introduce myself on that day, let them know I'll be handling their furniture or whatever items I'm carrying of theirs, and kind of give them an idea of when I'll be there to pick up their items. I like to pretty much do my route pretty quick. I like to hit it hard, just like I'm expediting. So that's the way it is right now. Every day I'm contacting customers pretty much throughout the day because things do change as far as traffic, and I keep a pretty tight schedule. I try to deliver one right after the other. I don't really plan breaks, but I do plan, a 2 to 3 hour interval window for pickups and drop-offs. And most of the time I'm on track usually. I'm pretty good with being there on time, but sometimes things do happen where you got to pick up or deliver 2 stores, and that's when their time frame of their operating hours can kind of conflict with your route and your schedule. So you might have to stay overnight somewhere or hold off over the weekend. But in most cases you can kind of plan it out so where you can, like for example, this weekend I'll be staying in Ohio at my grandmother's place in Warren, Ohio, because I have a drop-off in Canton on Friday, and then my next pickup isn't until Monday because that's how I scheduled it, to where I'll be in Michigan on Monday. I like it that way. I like it to where I can take time off if I want to, or if I want to rush, I can do that. So that's kind of where I'm at right now with it and how my days work, and why I haven't been uploading videos like I like to, because it's just too much to do for me, really, because editing takes up a lot of time, and I don't think people understand that. So I'm gonna try to do my best at staying updated as much as possible and keeping you guys informed. As far as how much I make, I'm not gonna disclose that until the end of my routes. I may tell you what a specific piece is paying, or things like that, of that nature, but I'm not gonna disclose what I'm making every day. I'd rather do it at the end of my route, because that's the only way you can see the value in what I'm doing. If you look at it by piece, or look at the beginning route, and it might not be that many things, on the back end is where they get you sometimes, and that's where you can really double up what you're carrying. So if that makes any sense to you guys. If not, maybe you'll see in the future videos what I'm talking about. Other than that, I'm gonna get back to driving. I do have some customers to call about tomorrow, because I'm dropping off in Jacksonville, this table in the back, and then I'm headed to Atlanta, Georgia. I just talked to the owner of the company. He has another thing in Atlanta that I'm picking up that's going to Pittsburgh. That's not on my list yet, so I'm gonna hold there in Atlanta tonight and then handle my pickups tomorrow morning. Contact everybody tonight, let them know I'll be there tomorrow morning, and then we'll head to Virginia, I believe, unless they add anything else to my route, but I'll keep you guys posted, all right? So like, comment, subscribe. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys appreciate the content, and that's all I gotta say. Peace.